Is your mop a dirty, germ-filled mess? Do you hate wringing out unsanitary mops with your hands? Want to keep your house clean and sanitized? You need the next generation Hurricane 360 Spin Mop, the only mop and bucket that spins germ-filled dirt away. The mop head spins to pick up the most dirt, getting into corners and around toilet bowls. It lays flat so you never have to bend over, saving your back. The super absorbent head picks up 10 times its weight in dirty, unsanitary liquid, traps it inside, and doesn't drip. To clean it, just put it in the bucket, and like magic, it just spins the dirt away, and you never touch the mop head or germ-filled water again. But the cleaning and sanitizing power just keeps on coming. Just fill the bucket with your favorite bleach or cleaner, and you can sanitize your entire house. It works on any hard surface and will never scratch or leave streaks. Its amazing bucket just can't be beat. Just dunk and spin, guaranteed. No more touching dirty, unsafe, disgusting mops, and no more getting on your hands and knees. Get the only mop that features spinning action and the revolutionary spinning bucket that can sanitize your house in no time.